All right. So, taking a look at these sample questions, and we're going to be switching over, also looking at using a Desmos calculator on this. Which of the following expressions is 5 times as much as the sum of R and S? So we're just going to take, remembering that sum means we're adding. So we need to do that first. That's Y R plus S. So I get the sum, and then I'm multiplying that by 5. Right? So this is 5 times as much as that. Okay, now a different way to write that is just put the 5 in front and say R plus S, like that. Either way is okay. What is the solution to this equation? All right. Well, really easy way to do this. Open up Desmos, and I'm gonna switch to that. I just need to figure out where it is in my tabs here. And I'm going to share this tab right now. And you can see I've got this in. I put it in Desmos, and it graphed a line straight up and down. And where it crosses the x-axis is the answer, 1.875. Now, the thing is, your answers were all fractions. So you want to change that to a fraction, you can go and put that 1.875 just in a line on its own and hit this icon that's right there. It shows it as a fraction, 15 over 8. Okay, so then I can go back here and I can see that 15 over 8 is one of my choices. Now, it is likely, though, that a question like this might be on if it was an Accuplacer question, it might be a no calculator one because there are some. And then you just have to go through and perform some things, right? You've got to. Now, the first thing I would do, so let me write this out over here. 1/2 x plus 3/2 times x plus 1 minus 1/4 equals 5. So first thing I would do is figure out, how am I going to get rid of the denominators? And the best way that I know to get rid of the denominators is to take the largest one, which is that 4 right there, and multiply the whole thing, everything, by 4. Okay? And what happens then? If I multiply 4 times 1/2, I get 2. So 2x. I multiply 4 times 3/2, I get 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. And I have x plus 1. I don't do anything to the x plus 1 because that's going to happen. And then minus 1, because 4 times negative 1/4 is minus 1, equals 20. Okay, so I've gotten rid of all the fractions. Now I can go through and do some more stuff, right? I can distribute the 6. That's the very first thing to do. So 6x plus 6 minus 1 equals 20. And we have the 2x out at the front. And then I combine like terms. 8x, 6 minus 1 plus 5 equals 20. Right? And subtract 5. And I get 8x equals 15. And x equals 15 over 8, which is what we got, right? So that's just kind of the long way to go. What is the number of grams in 500 kilograms? And it says 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So that means if I want to know, if I have a kilogram, I want to know how many grams it is. I multiply it by 1,000. So I have 500 kilograms that I'm going to multiply by 1,000, right? So that's going to be 500,000. Okay. Number 4, I don't know what happened to the rest of it. I don't have the rest of it, so I guess we're just going to do those 3 right now. So that's it. Make sure you get those in.